Hey guys, what is up? This is VV Worldwide. I am unboxing my brand new camera I plan on doing some filming with. I've been doing it on my Note 9. I mean, the camera's really great on there. Just had an opportunity to pick this one up here. We'll see how it goes. So it's the Coolpix p900 from Nikon. Air Wi-Fi. So this is my first time seeing this here. I just got it. What we got inside is the warranty programs there. Coolpix, but look at, oh man, I'm in for one right there. Good. There's a book inside. This is going to just be a quick video, so I'm going to do this and I'll do a review and show you some pictures later on it. And then let's see here, we have here adapter. Looks like micro USB adapter here. A second. Yeah. Come on, focus. There we go. All right, Coolpix strap, camera strap. What else? Like adapter here. Charging the battery. What else got? Oh, there's the battery. Get that charged up. And looks like that's it. And here is the camera. Let's put that to the side. There we go. A lot of people said it didn't come with the lens cap. Mine came with a lens cap. Different buttons there. So that should be good for filming there. That's your flash. This has a crazy sick zoom on it. It's 83 times optical zoom. I'm seeing a lot of people doing like photos of the moon and just craziness. But you know, my primary things are going to be filming my videos on here. So there's a top, on off. Another zoom button there. There's the NFC tag, and let's see, here's HDMI port there, USB type C. What else we got? Battery door here, and tripod mount. So that is it, guys. Again, I'll use this a little bit, and then I'll do a review on it and put some pictures up. You guys see how it looks. So there it is, Nikon p900, and it's like a point and shoot, just a step above my Note 9. Hopefully we will see what kind of video we get from it. Well, again, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is V, and I am out.